guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Really? You just gonna do that to me again? Just like that? Like seriously. You're the outro. You're the end part of the video.
Okay, I mean, I know why they're here. They're here to see the crimp. They might be here to see the straight, but they're here to see the crimp.
I'm the intro, okay? I know I'm straight, and they didn't come here for straight, but they might have. I mean, some people might want me. I know I look pretty basic just being straight, but you can wait. You can wait your turn until the end, okay?
I just wanted to come on here and say hi to the people.
Do you know I'm basic? I know I'm basic, but this is in. At least I'm simple. At least I'm a simple baddie, okay? They'll see you in the outro, okay? You'll get your moment to shine. Let me have mine.
Bye.
Whatever. Anyway, back to the video. Y'all, I'm crazy. Y'all know I'm crazy. Y'all know if I'm doing something like that, something got to be a little messed up in my head. Anyway, so this is a kinky straight wig sent to us by Beauty Forever. I'm gonna be showing you guys different looks. That's fun for me. Okay, so just work with me. I'm gonna be showing you guys different looks in this video, basically like how to style this half wig, and I'll give you guys a summary of how I feel at the end. Okay, so stay tuned for the different looks, because we got a lot in this video. All right, before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Also hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into these looks, girl. Let's go ahead and get into these looks. Hey my friends, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you see, my hair is out, but I will explain that in a second. This is a kinky textured straight hair, as you saw in the thumbnail. This video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. Thank you guys so much for sending this wig. In the box you get a few goodies. You're gonna get a wig cap, and I got 2 headbands. Okay, they sent over 2 headbands. So this is a kinky textured straight hair. I've already prepped this wig. I've shampooed and conditioned this hair, and I've also trimmed the ends a little bit because sometimes the ends look a little bit stringy to me, but I think if you trim it, it'll be fine. Just a few specs on my wig. This is a kinky straight half wig, okay? So this is a half wig. That's why I left my hair out, okay? Because I want to get the full effects of this wig, and this is a human hair wig. Now, with this whole headband train going on, a lot of companies are coming out with wigs that pretty much are either a headband or I mean, that seems like what we've been bringing you guys, but the lace seems like it's coming back, so don't worry, stay tuned for that. But this is a half wig, okay? So you're gonna get one comb right here, you're gonna get one comb in the back, and this is just a regular full cap wig. The texture is kinky. I'm loving the texture of this wig. It is beautiful. So I have some plans for this wig. We're gonna get started with this first look that I have. When I first got this wig, I was so anxious that I went ahead and put her on. And normally my hair is halfway out because sometimes I leave like some of my hair out and the rest braided. But I put this on and I was in love. I'm just gonna put this wig on. I'm actually going to use the combs in this because it's so far back on my hair that I don't think it's going to mess me up too bad. So I'm gonna use the combs on this. Do what you feel like you need to do. You can go in with a wig grip just to kind of preserve your edges, but I'm going to use the combs for the sake of this video. I did notice that this color is a little bit different than my hair, but it's not too bad. But my hair is a little bit darker, so keep that in mind. This color is kind of like a natural, but it still works. It still works, okay? What I'm going to do is I was playing with this wig because I was just so excited. I'm loving this wig. okay? I've already just straightened my hair. I don't really blow dry my hair too much, but for the sake of this video I did.
A few moments later.
So I'm actually gonna go in with a wig grip on this because I feel like it was sliding a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a wig grip. So this is going to be the first kind of look because I just wanted to have like a natural look with this wig. I wanted to show you guys how you can just literally blend this wig with your hair. If you do have edges, you can absolutely just blend it, okay? And get that look right there. Oh wow, look at this. So I straighten my hair with this blow dryer right here. This is a Revlon brush blow dryer. I'll leave a link below for this. You can get this on Amazon. I've been using this brush blow dryer forever and I love it. So I'm just gonna straighten it a little bit. And this is so flat right here. This half wig is so flat that it's gonna blend really good. Now you don't have to leave so much hair out and you don't even have to leave any hair out at all. But I felt like I wanted to because I just wanted to give a different look. So this is gonna be the first straight look. Don't worry, I got more looks coming for y'all. My edges are a little jacked up right now. I don't know if y'all see that, but I attempted to like shave my edges. But I used the razor and I was trying to, anyway, y'all not here for that. But yeah, my edges look a little jacked up. But I just wanted to show you guys how just basically natural, just straight natural looking. So I'm gonna use a little bit of edge booster, just a little bit, because I really want this kind of fresh, I just blow dried my hair look. But I'm just gonna use a little bit because I still want my natural hair kind of, oh man, y'all, this is nice. This is really nice. I think this is looking better than I thought it would. So this is the first look and I like it. I know it's not curled or anything, but I really do like it. I'm gonna show you guys some more styles, but this is the first like just natural, I blew dried my hair out. So you definitely need to fluff this out. I noticed that this is a little, it's thick. It's definitely thick. It's really soft and you know, you just need to fluff it out a little bit to get it big. This is perfect. This is exactly the look I wanted. And you play with it and look at that. Just like that. So let's go ahead and do an updo. All right, so I'm gonna put this up now into a half ponytail. Ooh, that's cute. It's so cute. Do y'all not see how natural this is looking? Woo! I'm loving this, y'all. So what you do basically is blend, you have your hair, a little bit of your hair out, but you're gonna take some of the half wig too. That's the key right there. To take some of the half wig and put it into the ponytail too. All right, so I'm taking some of this half wig and I'm gonna blend that all into a ponytail. I remember we used to do this with them synthetic wigs. There was one half synthetic wig that everybody, I know everybody, and they mama used to probably turn into this look right here with the half up, half down look. Y'all know what wig I'm talking about? That Dominican curly wig. What y'all know about that wig? What do y'all know about that outre Dominican curly? All right, so you want to get enough where it actually is going to be full. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a little bit of more edge control and put it a little bit on my edges like so, and brush. I know it looks white because it's actually really cold here. I just look like it's summertime. Now, I'm not putting the edge booster all the way back because I still want my natural textured hair to look natural. I want this to look natural. Actually, I'm going to put this in a bun. It's so cute, y'all. This is cute. Oh my God, this is super duper cute. super cute. Okay, my edges are pretty thin. Let me show y'all a trick for that. I've come a long way with my edges, okay? But they're pretty thin. This is an old mascara. Any mascara will work. And boom, look at that. Okay, you definitely do have to blend this more. But look, and brush. Look. Edges. Man. So I'm gonna do it a little bit on this side because my edges are naturally thin, y'all. It's hereditary. It is what it is. But they definitely did fall out a little bit. Just, you know, having kids, hormones, all that stuff. You know, life. A little bit of edge control and swoop. You don't want to put too much mascara because it's gonna look fake. I don't know how it's looking. You can't see. You don't want to put too much. And I don't want it to look too slicked. I want it to look just like this, like exactly the look it's giving me. A little bit of slicked edges. See what that did? Old mascara. Use an old mascara that's about to go out. And that's that. Super cute. I have one more style for you guys. Bear with me. I know this video is probably getting a little bit long, but we having fun today. Woo! One more. Let's go. I'm really liking this half up, half down, y'all. This is definitely a game changer. This is a quick put on your head. But don't worry, if you don't have edges, I will show you guys that too. Or you can jump to that timestamp where I show you the headband part of it. But I feel like we've seen so many headband wigs that I wanted to give you guys some versatility. So I hope you appreciate this. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so what I want to do with this wig now, oh, you see this? This is the edge booster. It can come off a little cakey if you don't blend that in all the way. But the time has changed since this video started, and that's that. Alright, so what I want to do with this now is basically crimp this wig. Crimps are in, y'all, okay? I don't know if y'all don't know this, but crimps are in. So I had this idea to crimp this wig. I wanted to do something a little bit different with it, so I decided to crimp it. We are going to clip that side and basically crimp this wig. I'm excited. So I'm gonna blow dry this wig just a little bit straighter, but I don't want to get it too straight because I definitely want this kinky goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and crimp this wig. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just basically gonna show you guys the first part of this, and then maybe we'll snap, transition, do something, and I'll show you guys at the end the last bit. I'm gonna use a heat protector because I'm treating this hair just like it's my own. With my natural hair, when I do flat iron it, do whatever, I do use a heat protector, so that's why I wanted to use that. So I got this crimper from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon. Even this shirt. If y'all were curious what it says. I'm telling y'all that not because I want you to buy it. I really don't care. Believe it or not, it's not that much for those little links y'all see below. But just in case you're interested, the shirt, the crimper, all the stuff I talk about is in the description box. So let's go ahead and crimp this wig. Alright, I had this set, but it said off. So this does have an automatic off button, all right? I'm really curious to see how this is gonna turn out, guys, and how well this hair takes curl and all that good stuff. I'm nervous. Oh man, do you see that? Okay, okay, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. I already see it. I already see it. So I'm gonna do another section. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some Got2b freeze spray to hold that, and this is gonna be so pretty, y'all. I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll be back and give you guys my final thoughts. and we are back. Oh, it turned out better than I thought it would. Whoa, this is beautiful. Do y'all see these crimps? Do y'all see these crimps? I've been waiting to see y'all. I saw y'all in the beginning and now I see y'all here. Woo! So I went ahead and crimped this hair off camera and I'm in love. I use my Got2b glue high insta hold free spray just to kind of hold the hair, and I also use my crimper. I just crimped the whole thing. Some of it is falling, but I think for the most part what I was trying to accomplish is accomplished. I'm really loving the final look of this. I'm loving the natural vibes. I'm loving the natural mixed with crimp. It's like natural. Why am I still holding this? I guess I should put it down. Yes, well, I'm loving the naturalness of this hair, the kinky texture of this hair, the crimp, everything. It's just, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And even if the curls fall, it's fine. It's fine. Now, the last part of this video, say if you don't have edges, you don't have leave out, we're gonna turn it into a headband, okay? So I do have these headbands from Amazon. I will leave a link below of these headbands. There's other different headbands. There's any kind of headbands you can do. You could turn this into a headband wig, okay? Headband wigs are trending, but this half wig human hair is beautiful. It's perfect. No, I don't like that. All right, so I'm just gonna put this one on and show you guys how you can make this work as a headband wig if you want. And just like that. Headbands are the magic of everything. It blends with my hair. It blends from hair to headband. And this is human hair. It's human hair. So I don't have to worry about how long it's gonna last because it's a human hair unit, okay? So this is what you can do. I'm not gonna show y'all a whole bunch of stuff of what you can do. I'm pretty sure you know what you can do with a headband wig, but I just wanted to show y'all, if you wanted to throw a headband on it, this is what you do. Blend the hair, put the headband to blend the wig to the headband, okay? Swoop your edges if you need to. If you don't want to swoop your edges, guess what you do? Put it on your edges, girl! Put it on your edges! That's all you do. But I do like to show a little bit of edges just to kind of look like it is pretty much coming out of my scalp. I'm loving the final look of this all. Put it up. Do what you need to do. I have multiple headband wig videos where I do different styles. I'm gonna leave this at that, but I'm happy. I'm happy. Let me know which one was your fave. Do you like the straight? Do you like the crimped? Do you like the headband? What is your favorite out of all of this? Either way, I'm here for these natural vibes all day. Y'all want to see my shirt? It says melanin. Because I'm melanin. Make sure you drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling it. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.